What if your book fails? Not because it isn't good, but because no one ever knows about it. Every week, smart, talented authors publish great nonfiction books, and then they get stuck. They post a few times on social media, run some ads, cross their fingers, but sales don't come because just publishing a book isn't enough. If your book isn't positioned and promoted the right way, it will disappear, no matter how brilliant it is. If that sounds familiar or just absolutely terrifying, you're not alone. But there is a better way. And now, I gotta tell you, we haven't done anything like this before, but I am so excited to introduce our brand new software, Author Launch Kit, at our virtual summit. It's 3 days, June 19th to 21st, and it is packed with the future of book marketing strategies that will help you sell books in 2025 and beyond. Metadata, paid ads, branding, publicity, monetization. You'll discover how to position your book to stand out, build your author brand, pitch yourself for podcasts, media, and best of all, how to turn your book into a lead and revenue machine. Plus, we're giving away some epic prizes at the virtual summit, including lifetime access to our Author Launch Kit software, 6 months inside our Author Business Accelerator community. But you have to be there live to win. So if you're serious about selling more books, reaching more readers, and building your author brand, this is the event you have to be at. Best thing, it's free. So grab your free seat right now and I'll see you there. And if you can't make those dates, get in the Author Business Accelerator. That's where the replays will be.